Hey, this is Cool Trains in Montreal. I'm here at Dorval ramps, and here's a eastbound freight headed really quick. It looks like an ES44 on the point. The 23rd of October 2023. Another nice day today, actually. And here comes the DPU. Fall is underway here in Montreal. Won't be long until we're into winter, in fact. It's only like 9-10 degrees in the sun today. With a little luck, we will get a CP train soon too. Be nice to get a 2-for-1 here. Hasn't happened in a little while. Haven't been here in a little while. This is one of the better places to get trains, though, I have to say. Very secluded, not too much people come around here, that's for sure. Maybe me and one other rail fan come here. One or two other people. That's it. That's kind of colorful. These auto racks are rather huge. 85-foot cars. Enough to put a giant message, make them into a giant message board. And there's the last car. There it goes into Taschereau Yard. There you see the fall colors. Won't be long before that tree's lost its leaves and you'll be able to see everything. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.